All right. So these are all variables, right? So
Yeah.
we can just say, okay, so let's say this location, right? So you see this variable location, we are basically describing this what this location is. So we're just saying that the default should be West Europe, right? Then
Yes.
go to Outlook. When we create Outlook output, right? Let me see. I'm just using one as an example. So the output that we can specify that variable output should be West Europe, right?
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's up to your choice. Whenever
okay.
you want to, it's up to your choice. We can create anywhere as per regarding to the Azure portal.
Okay, I understand. I understand. All right, that's something I wanted to kind of cross check. So I think we're on the same page. All right, what do we have for today?
What we are going to today? Let's create something, the API gateways into Azure. Okay, and let's check it. It's called as Azure API Management Service. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so just have you user before API management?
Yep, I've heard of API management. Yes.
Yeah.
Let me explain what API management is to you, and then maybe if I'm wrong, you can correct me, right?
Yeah, sure.
So let me give you an example. Let's say I'm just gonna call out. All right. So let's say if I'm actually logging into this this GitHub, right?
Yes.
It could come out that I can actually get an option saying that I can use my Azure username and password to log in to GitHub. So it's basically saying that the GitHub is calling the API module, RESTful API from Azure to log into the site. Is that the right thing?
Yes, it is right.
Okay.
So actually, API management, it is the applications management, right?
Yes.
So if another applications, if you have a Node.js applications, okay, and you want to deploy to particular output, and you need a particular output using the one endpoint, right? So it is called as the API. Okay. So what is API management? API management is create the perfectly output or perfectly endpoint using it. So we can create the endpoints using the API management. Okay. So this is the simplest things in a API. Okay.
Okay. Good.
1 minute. Using the API management, we can communicate each other using the it. Okay. So if you have if suppose I give you one example. Actually, I have one application which is working on Java. Okay. And I have Ionic architecture. What is the Ionic architecture? First of all, Ionic architecture is that where all the code were written by the developers, right? So it is managed by the UI UX teams. Okay, it is called as a UI UX teams, and you want to deploy the all of those things in your Android applications or also iOS applications and also the web applications. Okay, so Ionic is the combination of web, iOS, and Android applications. Okay, suppose you have a one application where if you have a one project on a one particular websites and you need a one particular applications on your mobile as Android and iOS. Okay, so it is the combinations of all of those things. It is called as the Ionic. Okay, and what it will be do whenever we are changing the whenever the developers are changing the code in a particular things on a particular website, okay, or particular project, what it will be do, it will be reflect on everywhere where it is the on iOS and also the Android and also the web applications, right? So the communications, the changes are so reflected mandatory to a particular iOS and Android. Okay, so the API management tool are very much important tool, which is it is provide the communication between three of the things. Okay, in a web applications and iOS and Android. Okay, the API management systems are provided one thing, one way, which is using the API management. Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
let's do these things. So, okay. How much experience you have on Azure?
So how much?
How many years of experience you have on
Oh,
Azure?
I have 5 years experience.
5 years. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay. Okay. So today we will discuss to create your own reusable template. Right here. Okay. Right. Are you checking the billing about like Azure? Have you checked?
Say that again.
Have you checked the billing console on your Azure portal?
The console.
Yeah.
I don't. Which console are you talking about? I don't.
Azure portal. Azure portal.
Uh-huh.
Can you open the Azure portal?
Yeah, I know the Azure portal. Yeah. Hold on.
Now go to the console management plus billing.
Right here.
Yes. Okay. $0.06. So click on view details. Click on view details. Okay. May 4 to May 8. We will 10 to May, right? So can you check the which type of services are running or not?
No, so I don't have any services running because I actually took everything off.
Yes, I can
Yeah,
understand.
so
But first of all, we need to check, right?
yeah, so this
Before
is
we
it.
can create anything. Yeah.
Yeah, so anytime that we create something, I just come over and check the resources, and I just make sure we don't have anything running. You see that?
Gateway installation. Yeah. Are you familiar with the logic apps?
Yep, I know Logic Apps. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's create the logic apps using the Terraform.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, sure. Let's go ahead.
Okay. There are so many lots of files. Here are so many files. So we will confused because we are beginners, right? On the Terraform. Your storage. Okay. Terraform configuration. Setup. Create infra using Jenkins. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so today I will provide you one AWS S3 bucket. Okay, and I will show you how to all the automations are work. Today we will learn how to automate infrastructure setup using the Terraform and Jenkins. Okay, so we will create the also CI/CD using the Jenkins, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's what you said the other time. Yes.
Just for 1 minute. Actually, this reason getting the code actually code available here. S3 bucket. Ingress using do it. Launch. From slash blog slash master slash Check GitHub. Okay, got it. Okay, I will share with you one file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 file.
Okay.
We will learn the automation. So yeah, create the new folder. Create the new folder on desktop. And I will share with you. So on AWS. So are you familiar with the AWS?
I haven't used AWS before.
And you are not using AWS before.
So the only time that I used AWS was Microsoft Cloud for Defender. So this customer actually linked as AWS.
I can also provide you. I can also provide you one user. You can log in using to it. Okay.
Okay. I mean, yeah.
I have also account, so I can also provide you freely. You can practice on 10.
Yeah, I mean, sure. I mean, I haven't actually seen how AWS even, looks like. But I know for sure. I worked with this security team that we merged AWS portal to Azure portal using through Microsoft Cloud for Defender, right? And then
Yes.
I ran this risk assessment. It's a well architecture framework on those 5 pillars on security. So once I ran that, I was able to detect any issue or any risk issue on the AWS side, and I share that with the customer. But I haven't really paid much attention to AWS.
Okay. So you have a risky right for that?
Yes.
Actually, I have a one project on that. So let's try different things. Let's do Terraform. Okay. So Oh my God. We have so many questions. So much. Where is EDU? Stuff. We have also done these things. Some of the things are we are completed also.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Are you familiar with the networking?
Yeah, I love networking. That's my strongest part in networking.
Oh, that's great. Let me check with my gaming classes. Infrastructure solutions. Security group. We are also completed network security group. Resource taking. Yes. Okay. Today we will learn how to create the Azure blob storage using the Terraform. Okay.
Okay.
Because it's also important part for Terraform. Instead for okay. So I will share with you one file. Okay. Have you created the one folder?
Yes, I've created a folder. Yeah.
So PDF file. Today we will create the Azure blob storage using the Terraform.
Okay.
Okay. Now, just a 1 minute, I share with you. So, show file. Storage. Okay. So save it into your particular folder and open it with the VS Code.
Okay. You sent one moment, please. One moment.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay. So this one, right?
Yeah. Mm.
All right.
And rename the terraform.tf with the tf vars. Actually, it was my mistake.
Which one?
Terraform.tf.
Right here.
Yeah, rename it. Rename it. Last tf vars. Vars. Yes, that's fine. Yeah. So here we have also the commands there and also mains.pf, a tf file where the outputs, providers, Terraform TFRs and variables also there. Okay.
Okay. So
So
what is this?
it is the commands where we will apply on a terminal. So I will also share with you in advance.
Okay. I thought it was a different. I thought it was a different language.
Yeah, it's a SH language. It is called as SH. Bash file. It is the bash file.
Oh, Bash. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now open the terminal. Yes. And open the variables.tf file. We will play with the main.tf, output.tf and variables.tf.
So open
Okay.
variable. Okay.
Here we have resource group names. We can also create using two things: RG name in Azure, RG location in Azure. Okay. We was also done these things before this lecture. Okay. So you should have to know about where we will implement. Okay. I will guide you.
Okay.
So open the main.tf file. Okay, we have this type of the resources right now. Okay, we require the Azure RM resource group. It is called as RG, and its a var variable will be fetched from the variables.tf file. Okay, so var.resource group name. Okay, so RG name in Azure. So provide the description as a RG. Okay, it will be created automatically. Azure storage account ID and also these things.
Okay.
So go to the variables.tf file. Okay, we will edit these things: RG name in Azure, RG location in Azure, storage account name in Azure, and storage container name in Azure. But not an issue. Whenever we are applying these things, it will be ask you some of the questions. Okay, so we just run these things in a terminal. So write down the one command. It's the Terraform.
So just do Terraform in it.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah. So run the Terraform FMT.
Is that what? Terraform?
Terraform space FMT.
Oh, FMT.
It will be check the format. Okay.
Okay.
All are fine. Now run the Terraform validate. It will be validate our files.
Okay.
Okay. All are done. Okay. Now write down the one command. It is Terraform space plan space out hyphen out, sorry, hyphen out space TF plan. No, TF plan will be, yeah, just enter. It will be show you the plan. Okay. It will be create the TF plan backside, and we will see the all the JSON files using to it.
Okay.
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 It will be create the TF file. Yes, that's it. Okay. Now,
so what's the difference between the Terraform plan? Just a Terraform plan.
Terraform plan means it's going to the validate and see the all the things of the configurations in our planning. Okay, which type of planning you are doing? Like you want to create the blob storage using do it. Okay, so all the things are perfectly executed or not, all the configurations are right or not. It will create the one type of the plan in the backend side whenever we are running this command. Okay, so it will be validate and check all of those things and create the one plan for that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the plan is ready, right? Now plan is ready, but I want to check. It will be stored in a .json file. Okay. .json file, and we will check using the please write down the command. It's a Terraform space show space hyphen JSON TF plan space no space TF plan TF not space. Yeah, it will be show you which type of the plan they are created is created, right? Yes, it is created this type of the plan, and it will be deployed in our Azure portal whenever we are running these things. Okay. Yes. So the plan are created. but not saved in our particular file. Okay. So in the future, if you want to start these things from the beginning side and you forget everything, okay, if the classes are done and everything is done and you have forget everything, like how the blob storage are working and how it is working, right? So you can recover these things using the .json file. Okay. So we will create the it will be created one file which is the stored the plan in particular file. Okay. So using this command, please write down the command. It's a Terraform show space hyphen JSON TF plan, then on space double greater than double greater than
Yes.
yes, also greater than
This one.
greater sign.
Okay.
Yes, space TF plan dot JSON. It will be store our plan into tfplan.json file. Okay. Whenever
Okay.
you are entered these things, it will be stored in this file. So enter it. It will be created. Okay. Yeah. It is created.
Okay.
So if you are doing the changes in your plan, okay, it is created right now the plan. And if you want to check the changes of your plan and everything, so you can write down the it is also created on the left side. You can see that tfplan.json file. You can check, click on that, and you can check anything. Okay, all the things.
Okay.
Left side, on the left side, so you have a tfplan.json file right now.
Yep.
Below. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's created. It's created. And it is stored here. Okay. Whenever you in a future you are forgetting everything, you can create the blob storage using this file. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now run the command. We will apply these things in our Azure portal, right? So but first of all, we need to see the TF plan are working proper or not before the deploying the project on our Azure portal. Okay. So we can check using the cat tfplan.json file. Cat tfplan.json. It will be show you this file. Okay. You can check using the terminal also. Okay. Now we will apply this TF plan to our Azure portal. So yeah, run the command Terraform apply TF plan. Enter. Okay. Which type of error we are getting? Creating Azure account. Fail, sending request, status code 0, original error. Service return in old storage already taken.
It's already taken. So
Storage be taken.
that's it.
With Azure. Line 6 in a main.tf file. It's a Azure storage. Okay. So what we will do, we will implement these things in our main.tf file. Okay. Now remove the storage on a 6th line. It's a storage with str only. str s capital s t r. Yes. Now save it. Control S using to it. Yes. So we are implement these things, right? So we will check. We will check. Also, just a 1 minute. It's storage block and also these things. So we are doing these things, right? So run the command. It's Terraform space plan. No. Yes, Terraform plan space -out space tf plan. Yeah. It will be create the one new plan for that. Yes. What is the manage storage? Declare the root module output dot. Root module. 1 minute. So yes. Okay. 1 minute.
Cannon, Angela Costa, and Robert Simple all arrested late last year after the shooting that happened in November. That's what investigators say. Vernon Craddock Jr. shot Deputy Michael Cole in the face while in the elevator at the sheriff's station. Craddock told GBI.
Okay. In output.tf file, open the output.tf file. Yes, and it's a storage dot primary block. Okay. Storage ID, right? It should deploy. They're getting this. This group name was so. Sixth line. Please open the main.tf file and storage. Storage. Okay, replace with the str with the storage. Sometimes you know that all of those things are working, but some of the errors. In a sixth line, implement the replace the str with the storage.
Same storage, right?
Yes. Yeah. And var dot storage storage account name. Now save it using the control S and go to the it's a storage account name, right?
Wait.
Also go to the Terraform TF bars file with the left hand side. Yeah. Terraform.tf bars. Below it. Yes. So
Oh, I think this is what it said is it's already taken. So do you want us to change?
Yes. Now replace it with another name.
Let's say, let's see.
No, it will be not declared as a number. So we should have to run with another name. With the Duku here. Yeah. Save it and let's run with the just a 1 minute. SH. And now run the Terraform validate. Oh, you've done these things.
The plan is to apply for 2 housing units, one to store and one. If there are 2 buildings, it's the $27 million for this plan. And I spoke with the affairs officer for the healthcare system, who said to push any of this.
Yes. Seventh line. Storage account name. Yes. Why it is not picking up? Yeah. Run the command with the Terraform init.
Terraform init.
Yeah. Yeah. Now run the command of Terraform validate. Now run the Terraform apply. If we get some same so var dot storage.
So,
Lowercase. Okay, you are using the uppercase. That's why we are getting the error in a storage account. So we should have to use the lowercase naming in our output.tf file. Where we are implement. Yes. In a storage account name, do these things with the lowercase. Yeah. Yes. Now save it and run the Terraform init, node apply. Yes. Then validate, then apply. It will be run.
Okay, so one thing that I need to know is when you're creating a storage account, it's supposed to be small letters, not uppercase.
Exactly. It is a called as a S3 bucket in AWS, and in Azure side, it is called as a blob storage.
Love story, yeah, love story, yeah.
Yeah, right. It will be creating. It will be showing us which type of resources are creating and what is the idea about that. It will be shown here. Creating blob sample file.sh contain my files account. Okay. So remove the command.sh file first from the left side. From the left side.
Which one?
On the left side, command.sh file. Remove it from the Visual Studio Code. Yes.
Go here.
It's a command.sh file. It is located here on the left side on your Visual Studio Code. Yeah.
Is it
It's command above the main.pf file. Yeah.
okay, take
Delete it because it's picking up from there. Okay. Now let's run. Apply. Yeah, not a question. Yes. Okay. Sample file. Open command process. The system cannot find the file specified. TF line 21. It's a 21 line.
which one?
It's a
Yeah.
21.
Right here.
Sample file.sh. Okay. We have no sample file.sh file.
Yep, that's the one that we deleted, you know?
Okay, not an issue. I will share with you. Okay. It is replaced by the command.sh, right? I also share with you in a chat. So download it and do copy in this folder.
Right here. This is it.
Yes. Now Control S and replace it with the 21 line with the command.sh file. In a main.tf file, go with the 21 line and replace it with a command.sh. Yes. Save it and directly apply to our things. Terraform apply. Yes.
Saturday, and after nice Saturdays, we actually be close to 90, in the upper 80s. Here's what our rain chances how it kind of spaced out over the next couple of days, starting over Thursday.
I hope things so we will not get any help.
By Saturday and Sunday and Monday, a 20% better chance to see some of the afternoon showers and storms pop up across the area. But overall, not a bad pretty stretch for the
Now it's picking up.
Saturday.
It will be stored in our blob storage. That's it. Oh,
21. Resource other. Resource blob. Creating blob. Containment for account. Specify. Let me see.
it's a container name. It's called as a MyPass, right?
Yeah. So let me. So 21. I think we need to change. You need to change the. So the container name, my files. Let's see. Container name.
File specified. The system cannot find the file specified. CSTL specified. It is fine. Just a one.
The grandmother put in hospice and she wasn't terminal. Coming up next, why her family says there needs to be a deeper investigation.
We didn't get any of the blob URL, right?
No.
Solar time. I can see this all are perfect. Now go to the providers.tf file.
Provider.
Yeah, it's also it's fine. Can you go to the Azure portal, your Azure portal?
Mhm.
Let's check. What?
Yeah, nothing has been created. Oh, no. We do have something created.
Yeah, we also created the blob storage, right?
Yep. So
Yeah, this, and we didn't get here the file. Oops. My
have the
files. Yes.
file. We don't have the file was created, but we didn't have what was in the file.
Yes.
The
It was
container
my
was
file.
the container was created, but yeah, this is how. Well, okay. So we're supposed to have. Let me see. This is supposed to have this, right?
Yes.
We didn't have it. We don't have it.
I want to upload the files in our blob storage.
Okay.
Okay, and now go to the VS Code and replace the command.sh file with the file with the sample file.sh. Let's see what happening. Rename it. Sample files. SAMPLE dash file. Yes. Now go to the main.tf file. Main.tf file and go to with the 21 with and replace the command.sh with a simple .sh simple file dash file. Sorry, it's a sample file here. sh. Save it and apply it using the Terraform. It should be uploaded in our container.
That's not the end of the story. His family believes someone never met her. Dr. James Shire.
Still the same issue.
Filed against the document.
Storage blob.
With nurses on the phone, hearing Shirley. According to court records filed by Shirley's attorney, which
Specified. The system cannot find this file specified. Why? We have also file, right? Storage blob. So
with Shirley's nurses telling me whether or not they were and when your call might have
just a
While Sherman's family submitted a explain to the medical board the agency decline and confirm or deny whether it's investigating Dr. Shiver, but emails and texts our team review to ensure his daughter.
Can you go to the terraform.tf bar files?
Found by the family. Homestead Hospice was acquired by the company after Shirley's incident. Its new owners declined to comment.
The University of Georgia facing a lawsuit tonight over a crash.
Search and also
Legal documents show the lawsuit is filed by Wilcox's father. The family
yes,
claims
this thing is right.
Wilcox family is asking for $40 million and attorney. Finally,
It's like the summer heat is making a return. We should see those high temps close to 90 Saturday and Sunday afternoon. I look at Sunday forecast just after. That's a very special.
Source will be from the command .sh. We have a command.sh file and also that's fine. We are also with this. True. Is it true? The resources, public access also, sample file.sh. It's a block and command.sh. Okay, now run the one command.
Which command?
It's Terraform FMT. Terraform FMT. Then Terraform validate. Yes. Then Terraform space plan space -out space tf plan.
Sunrise. Here that 6.
Okay. Now run the Terraform space show space -json space tf plan. Show space -json space tf plan.
Terraform show -space
JSON space tf plan. Okay. Now run the Terraform show -json plan tf greater tf plan.json. Select the up switch.
So Terraform space
Show space -json space tf plan double greater sign space tfplan.json. Enter. Okay. Now Terraform applied tfplan. Let's see. Now it should have to add the file in our blob storage. Because all these things are perfectly right from our side. We got the same error, right? Can you rename the sample file.sh if possible? Just remove the dash. No, 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 not these things. Yeah, left side, rename it and remove the dash between file and sample. Yeah. Now save it and replace the things in a main also. Main.tf in a 21th line. Yes, Control S. Now we will apply. Why we are not getting the output today?
Mhm.
And we will do the last try with the renaming with the file with the command.sh.
Mhm.
Okay, we got the same. Now rename the sample file.sh with the command.sh. And replace the same file. No, 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 not with the command. Only do the things with the dash file, sample dash file. Yeah,
Yes.
and save it. Yes, and save it. And let's see what out. Not the TF. No. No, only run the Terraform apply. Remove the TF.
But when she found out he could be around, just not.
I hope this time will be success. No, it will be not.
Yeah.
That boundary's going to get closer to us by Friday and could bring us another opportunity for some showers and storms.
Just a minute.
Have to ask our people tonight. First pitch going to be at 7:05. It's the River Dogs. You should see our temperatures here. First pitch still close to 80, but will fall into the low 70s as we get that towards the end of game time. Baseball bingo tonight, also the silver.
Can you create the one new file and apply? Create the new file
Where?
in a left side. In a left side, yeah. Create the new file, and I will share with you the code, which is name is the index.html. Index.html.
Index.
.html. HTML.
Oh, HTML. Mhm.
And I also share with you the code and paste it there.
Thanks, Ronnie.
Save it.
Some of these regulations.
And save it using the Control S.
Yep, save.
Yeah. Now go to the main.tf file and go with the 21 and sample5 .html .sh. Remove the .sh and yeah, HTML. And now the in a
Index, right?
source.
Index.
Yeah, it will be index dot. No. It will be same.
Oh. Mhm.
Yes, and just remove the source with the index.html.
Over here to HTML, all right?
Yeah, with the replace with the index.html, not commands. Remove the commands and replace it with the index. Yeah. Now save the file and remove the command.sh file from the left side. Yeah, we doesn't require it. We don't need it. Right? Okay. Now let's run. Done.
So
Now
the
open
file
the
was corrupt. The file was
yeah.
corrupted. Or?
Yeah, it was file was corrupted. That's why we was getting the errors.
There you go.
Here we can open the URL and we can see the output.
Can you even download? Let's see. This is it. Mhm. Mhm.
You can also see these things using the terminal. Okay. They are also provide the things in our terminal.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Okay. Now let's destroy the things.
So we should do what?
We will destroy these things, right? Because it is chargeable.
Yeah.
So it's a Terraform destroy. Yeah. You can see the primary blob endpoint. We get the primary blob endpoint and also blob URL here. Also
Mhm.
storage account ID. Okay.
Okay.
Using the outputs. Using the outputs.
Okay. So tomorrow, can we focus on Azure Pipeline?
Yes, sure. Because you know that we was not decided what we can do today.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we will focus on the CI/CD on Azure
Jenkins?
pipeline with the Jenkins and also Azure CI/CD. Okay.
Okay.
So we will learn all of those things using the Jenkins. I will provide you the if any other Jenkins servers needed.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
with the URL, and we will do the all the deployment using to it. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
It's a 3 and 10 DI.
Right. Thank you. It's done.
Okay. All right, done now.
It's gone. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So we will learn tomorrow on a
Mhm.
CI/CD basis projects,
Okay.
right?
Okay. So yeah, I will look into that. I'm gonna look into that tonight so that tomorrow we can all be on the same page.
Yeah, sure. Okay,
All right. Thank you
let's
so
meet
much. Talk to
tomorrow.
you. Yeah, let's meet tomorrow.